Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add a new position to your LinkedIn profile on your PC using the latest update. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for showcasing your career growth, and today, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon labeled Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn profile. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Account Preferences. This section lets you control your personal information and how your profile appears to others. Within Account Preferences, find and select the option called Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can update your personal details, including your professional positions. Now, look for the Add New Position button. Click on it, and a new form will appear. Here, you'll need to fill in all the relevant information about your new role. Enter your job title, the company name, your employment type, location, and the start date. You can also add a description to highlight your responsibilities and achievements in this position. Once you've completed all the fields, review your information to make sure everything is accurate. When you're ready, confirm the steps by clicking the Save or Add button at the bottom of the form. That's it. Your new position will now be visible on your LinkedIn profile, helping you stay current and making it easier for recruiters and connections to see your latest career moves. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.